And I'm going to make scrambled eggs.
Tell us everything you're doing.
Good? Good stuff?
Yeah.
Do I put it more over here? Okay, if you want to just have an egg, don't break the shell. But if you want to have scrambled eggs, all you have to do is this. And you're at least going to cook for a while.
There's a bottom.
So I group it.
Not yet.
You just gotta wait a while. And you know. This is short. Now? Now, Pa? Ooh. Like that?
You're the cook. Talk.
So, now you gotta let it cook for another while, and then you can have scrambled eggs. So you don't have to cook fast, like this, for example. Oh, there I messed up. It's so dumb.
Good. That's scrambled eggs right there.
Okay, that's scrambled eggs.
So when do you know when it's ready?
Oh, you have to wait at least, I don't know, 30 seconds.
When it starts turning golden.
Golden, yes. Correct, sir. And I think it's golden.
And I think it's ready. Good job.
This one?
Now you leave that piece. Let's do...
Shall we make another egg? Wait, don't put this in trash. What?
You can leave that for right now.
And I'm going to call Simpson to crack an egg for me. So that's Claro. Would you come up? So, here's my assistant. Well, it's also my sister. And now it's your shop. Whoa. Do you know how to crack an egg? No. You want to show you an example and you can use the next one? Okay. Do it and then stick your finger in. I know how to crack an egg. No. I'm scared.
Yeah, just crack it and put it in there.
Yeah, crack it a little bit until you can see it and then stick your finger in and bam.
Pégala en la esquina de la...
There, right there. Here, is that enough, bud?
Okay.
There. Stick your finger in and crack it. What is this? You want to do it? Are you sure? Yeah, show me an example.
Come on, stop being a scary cat. There you go.
Did you see something? And if you want to make scrambled eggs, you know how to make it? Yeah. Cut the shell, as I told everyone else. Cut the shell? Yeah, we can cut it. The yolk? That's it, Sally. And excuse me? Would you mind mixing it a little? There you go. Now, as you know, you gotta move it. So, I think it's ready to flip around. It's gotta go fast, like a cheetah. Like that, people. Or do you like to, no. What? Do you like to move it around? Sure.
So what you want to do is move it around.
And I think it's ready.
Flip it over.
No.
Uh,
I think I should do this fast. We can do the next take. You gotta go fast. Got it? Okay. Is that the last one?
That's the last one.
Thank you.
Ya acabamos. Ahora, diles que cómo se mira, qué es lo que vamos a comer.
This is what we're gonna eat. Bacon and what?
Always turn it off.
Like that?